विषय इंद्रिय संयोगात् यत् तत् अग्रे अमृतोपमम् that is how we have to split. परिणामे विषम इव तत्सुखम राजसम स्मृतम. Under three headings, all these human qualities, starting from Shraddha. Shraddha also divided into three: Sattvika, Rajasika, Tamasika. Ahara, Sattvika, Rajasika, Tamasika. Even Tyaga, Sattvika, Rajasika, Tamasika. Dhanam, Sattvika, Rajasika, Tamasika. That is how exhaustively Krishna has worked out these areas of human journey. Likewise, it continues. Even jnana is divided into three: Sattvikam, Rajasikam, Tamasikam. Here it is Sukham. Rajasam. Why it is so Rajasam? Because in its immediate effect, it looks to be very much good for us. Many comforts are like that. Immediate effect will be very good, but as time passes, the same Amrita type comfort which we consider like that, it will be very much poisonous, negative in its effect. जब हम उसका स्वीकार करते हैं वर्तमान काल में अच्छा लगता है, सुख जैसा लगता है, कुछ सुख देता है, किंतु बाद में सब कुछ लेता है. परिणाम में इस तरह का अनुभव हमारे जीवन में आता है. सुख जैसा लगता है, हम लेते हैं, ज़्यादा ही लेते हैं. वी टेक इट सीरियसली एंड out of proportion also we consume many things in our life when it looks to be very much comfortable, very much enjoyable, but consequence will be very bad. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಹುಣ್ಣು ಮಣ್ಣು ಮುಂತಾದವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾರ್ತಾನೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರಿ paths where slip is very much serious. Once slip takes place in many areas of our behavior and our enjoyment, comforts, so on and so forth, where this viveka is very much needed, very much needed. So in terms of its utility in future also must be examined, and again it is to be rechecked. Testing must be there. ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಸುಖವಾವುದು, ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ಸುಖವಾವುದು ಎಂಬ ವಿವೇಕವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸುಖ ಕೊಡುವುದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಓಡಿದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಜಾರುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಜಾರಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. That is how we can put it in Kasturi Kannada. So that this slippery path is very dangerous. So Sri Krishna is giving warning to us, all of us, all type of human travelers, human commuters, That is how pariname vishamiva tat sukham rajasam. This type of sukha we must not chase behind. Vishaya indriya sanyoga. Always this is connectivity between two objects and sensory organs. Here that connectivity is one type of connectivity. Before that another connectivity, that is with mind and sensory organs. Before that another connectivity is there supporting, that is called antasakshi, inner psyche and mind. Mind is outer layer. Our sakshi will be warning us when we slip. Every possibility of slip is there wherever it is. Our own consciousness warns us, but we reject it, we ignore it, and we chase behind such sukha. That is very dangerous. That warning is very, very important now in this so-called modern world. That in this age, young age, we have to be very careful. Om Swasti.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.